I'm sure some of you guys have seen my previous crazy masks review, and those masks definitely did not work at all. Today's mask is a bougie, atas, science-backed, facial worthy mask. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about CurrentBody's Skin LED Light Therapy Mask. So what I'm gonna do is to do a 2 weeks review. I'm gonna give you guys a look of my skin today. I'm gonna do a 1 week review as well as to close off the review at the 2 weeks mark as well. And then with that, we can actually see whether there's an improvement or not. So I wanted to talk a little bit about this product first. So let me put my phone screen up here so that I can exactly tell you what is up with this product. CurrentBody is actually a global brand that focuses on devices, so beauty devices. So this is actually one of their main products. And as you can see, they have a lot of reviews on their website. The thing that actually intrigued me the most is that they won quite a few awards in 2020, and they are all beauty awards. And it's not cheap, okay? This actually costs like 522 SGD, okay? So it's like expensive. So I wanted to talk about my skin condition recently as well. So my skin has not been very happy. On top of hormonal acne, it decides to be very irritating as well because I'm getting acne even on days where my period's not coming. So yeah, irritating, full stop. So I even got a pimple on my earlobe. On my earlobe, okay people? Gosh. I actually got some scarring as well. So one of the benefits of this mask is to reduce uneven skin tone. So let's see if that actually helps as well. Oh yes, let me go through with you basically the benefits of this product because I realized I haven't talked about it yet. So there is 2 types of light that this mask actually emits, which is number 1, your red light, and number 2, your near infrared light. So what the red light actually does is to stimulate new production of collagen skin cells, and it also reduces your skin redness as well as to fix your uneven skin tone. So your near infrared light is something that happens beneath the skin surface, so it helps to improve your skin from beneath. So the near infrared lights help to improve your blood circulation and blood flow, and also to bring oxygen into your skin cells as well, which also of course helps your skin. So this is proven to reduce wrinkles by 35% in 4 weeks. I'm like in my late 20s. This will come in very helpful as well because for me, I'm doing a preventive measure, right? To make sure that I reduce my probability of getting wrinkles. And yeah. So this mask is a flexible silicone mask, and this is patented by the way. Oh wow. So this is how the mask actually looks like underneath. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yes, there are some bulbs over here, but you don't feel it at all. So there's a layer to actually smoothen the whole thing. It actually just feels like a flat piece of silicone. So I'm quite surprised because this box actually contains quite a bit of things. There is a storage bag and also a manual, and they also took into account the product is going to different countries, so they have a lot of different adapters as well for you to actually use. So the packaging as well is quite good. You really can see that everything was fitted nicely, and the product quality also feels very good. So I'm going to read my manual first before I blow up my face. Oh my god, guys, this is USB chargeable. Hold up. So it says here that you can charge it up. So each charge will take about 6 hours, and for each charge you can use it for 20 times. So you're supposed to also use it 10 minutes for 3 to 5 times per week. So this is what they call the main controller. You're supposed to charge this main controller. I'm sure this is like a battery. When you charge fully, you're supposed to take out the charger and connect this to your mask. So if the mask and the electrical port is both connected to this, it actually doesn't work at all, which is great because you will never blow up your face. That is something that impresses me. I guess there's a layer of safety when using this product, which is extremely important. So although today is day 1, I don't think that I'll be able to do it tonight since I will need to charge the controller for 6 hours. I'll get back to you guys tomorrow instead. But in the meantime, you guys can take a look at today's face because I think that's important. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.
Tomato people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone.
So today is our real day 1. So we're gonna give it a shot. I have already charged the controller. So the first step for me is to actually put on this Hydrogel face mask. So this is actually available on their website directly. You can use it with this or without. It fits my face quite well, and it doesn't really scratch easily, which is good. Okay, this is definitely easier to put on when you're lying down. I think it will work a lot better. So for my eyes, it's actually still quite bright, but you can still use your phone and you can still see the screen.
Oh my, I missed the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive.
So I'm done with the first session. From what I see now, I'm not sure if you guys see the same, but it seems like it's brighter, slightly brighter. So I'll see you guys 2 days later for the next session. Just want to do a little feature of his little double chin. So today is day 3 of using the mask. So recently I've been practicing meditation. I got the Headspace app, which is quite popular. I guess everybody's using that. Each session is like 10 minutes, right? So actually it's quite a good time for you to practice your meditation as well. So I'm done with today's session. I nearly fell asleep there because I was meditating. Yeah, I tend to become very sleepy after that. So my face is a bit red because I drank a bit of alcohol. So we're gonna start the treatment today. So it's Wednesday today, which means this is day 10 of using it. So I just wanted to highlight an observation that I had. So a few days ago, I also shared with you guys that I had a few pimples, like hormonal acne coming out. That's actually quite normal for me. Every month, I will grow some like cystic acne. Those kind of pimples are the ones that are like super deep rooted underneath. So I grew some of those a few days ago, but the surprising thing is, it doesn't feel as painful, and it also recovered much faster. There is really quite a stark difference actually. I don't think it has been like half a week even, and it just went away. It's like flat now, which is great, of course. Honestly, there's not much changes to my lifestyle or my eating habits or my skincare routine as well, or the products that I'm using. One of those lights actually helped to improve your blood circulation. So most probably that actually helped with my recovery as well. So this is just one of the observations that I had. Let's go on to today's session. So a little tip that I have for you guys is to actually tie a bun when you're going to be using this. It might just be my head shape, but basically it helps this to hold on, to have something to, I guess, hold on to. And it wouldn't slide all the way down to your neck. So it's editing me right now, and I thought it would only be right for me to actually do my outro while editing, since I wanted to compare the results of the before and after. So I have the before and after photos right here by my side. I mentioned to you guys that my period's coming, and therefore you might actually see more pimples, which is quite normal, and I expected that. I have a tendency to actually pick my pimples as well. I know I shouldn't do it, I know it's bad, but yeah, it just became a habit. I only have 2 points to cover. One point is actually about the recovery, which I mentioned before. My pimples are recovering way faster than normal. So the second point, which is scarring, I actually observed that the scarring from my previous pimples, or actually the existing scarring that I already had, actually lightened quite a bit if you guys were to look back to the photos. So that's actually one of the things that the product claimed to do, and it did. So that is great. I feel like this product by itself is like facial at home. You tend to see this kind of red light mask only in facials. You don't really tend to see at home. And facials tend to use it quite a lot because of its efficacy. And it's so portable and it's also chargeable. And I really like that when you charge it, it lasts you like 20 times, which is honestly quite a lot. So that's it for my review for this product. And if you'd like to learn more about this product, I've linked them down below. So additionally, I also managed to get a promo code for you guys. So the promo code will actually allow you guys to buy anything off CurrentBody at 10% off. So you guys can find the promo code down below. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Should I cut that out?